email marketing, text message marketing, Facebook Messenger marketing. Which one works best? Which one produces more profit? Which one has the best open rates? Which one produces the best results? Which one provides the best return on your time and money? Which one will allow you to finally quit your job and go full-time online? Which one will allow you to finally take that overdue vacation? Which one will allow you to finally buy that brand new car that you've been wanting? Which one will simply allow you to finally provide some better financial security for you and your family? Is it email, text, or Facebook Messenger? Which one will allow you to log into your different accounts every morning and before you even finish your cup of coffee, see results like this, where I brought in $4,342.76 in a day as an affiliate and another $1,105.74 selling my own products and $3,336.89 in 48 hours as an affiliate, $3,286.14 in a day as an affiliate and my own products, another $3,140.97 in a day. How about a $10,657.52 day? If you'd like to finally start getting results like that, then keep watching because you're in the right place. I'm about to let you in on the real secret, because lately there's been a massive battle between marketers trying to convince you that one is better than the other. 1 week, everyone is saying that email is best. Then they say text messages get a 98% open rate within the first 2 minutes. Then it's all about Facebook Messenger marketing getting a 100% inboxing rate and being bigger than any other messaging app. But you want to know what the real truth is? The real truth is that they all work. Yup, email marketing still crushes. You already know this. Heck, you probably landed on this page because of an email that someone sent you. Everyone still uses email. Big marketers, small marketers, big brands, small brands, local businesses, international businesses, e-commerce stores, Shopify sellers, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy, everyone. Text message marketing crushes. I'm sure you're like me and get about 2 to 3 text message campaigns every single week. Politicians use it, marketers use it, local businesses love it, and text messages easily get the highest open rate of the 3. And the newest method, Facebook Messenger marketing, crushes it as well. This is catching on like wildfire. Facebook Messenger bots are the future, and Messenger apps are growing a lot faster than all other social networks right now. Combine the two and you get the ultimate recipe for success. You can even run a Google search and find endless amounts of case studies of how automated Facebook Messenger marketing has skyrocketed sales for businesses of all types. Fact is, your customers are active on all 3 of the platforms. Your customers are always checking their emails, they're always checking their text messages, they're always checking their Facebook inbox. And they're able to access all 3 of these platforms from the comfort of their mobile phone. So why would you ever continue to use 1 or 2 of the methods and neglect the other? Why not instead combine all 3 and create more profit than you ever thought possible by ensuring you're reaching your customers on every platform that they're on? Well, now you can. We've developed the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with 0 monthly fees. Yup, you can now profit from the 3 most profitable marketing platforms and be able to create unlimited email marketing campaigns, create unlimited text message campaigns, create unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns, easily import unlimited emails and phone numbers, collect unlimited Facebook Messenger subscribers, and much, much more, without ever having to worry about a single monthly payment. And we've made it as simple as following 3 simple steps: importing your list and creating your campaign, sending or scheduling your campaigns, and then you generate massive profits from the 3 most profitable marketing platforms. Talk about awesome, right? This is the first and only time a powerful combination of the 3 most profitable marketing platforms has ever been done. Sendiio allows you to make money from every single platform that your customers are on. You can easily skyrocket your profit through the power of email marketing. We all know how powerful and profitable email marketing is. You can easily import your list and start sending out your promotional emails within the next 10 minutes. Plus, you can use our simple form builder to start collecting new leads and put them through your follow-up sequence, or start sending out one-time email broadcasts. You can easily skyrocket your profit through the power of text message marketing. Do I really need to explain the power of sending out text message campaigns that land right into the most addicting device that your target customer has in their possession? No, of course not. It's a given. Being able to land right into your target audience's text message inbox is one of the most powerful marketing strategies known to marketers. Your subscribers can't resist it. And with Sendiio, you can easily import phone numbers and start sending campaigns right away. Plus, you can also use the form builder to capture even more phone number subscribers. Easily tap into the fastest growing and most popular marketing channel, Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger marketing is all the rage right now. Not only is the Messenger app the fastest growing and most used messaging platform online right now, we as marketers now have the power to combine that with automated chatbots. It's the ultimate combination for profit automation. Sendiio allows you to build a massive list of Facebook Messenger subscribers that you can start messaging and profiting from right away. And for a very limited time, we're including agency access to Sendiio as well. This is easily valued at over $997 since you'll be able to offer 3 different services to your agency clients as well. You'll be able to supply your clients with email marketing services to their customer base, be able to run profitable text message campaigns for your clients, and dramatically increase their sales and subscribers with automated Facebook Messenger marketing. You can easily charge a separate fee for each service or bundle them up for a hefty recurring monthly profit. So as you can see, Sendiio is truly a profit powerhouse. Not only does it allow you to profit from the 3 most profitable marketing channels for yourself and for your clients, you can use Sendiio for anything you're doing online. Sendiio works for affiliate marketing, email, text, and Facebook Messenger marketing to generate affiliate sales. Yep, it works with all 3. In fact, it can easily be said that affiliate marketing was built on the back of email, and now text and Facebook Messenger has allowed affiliates to take it to the next level. E-commerce stores. Yup, if anyone desperately needs the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger, it's e-commerce stores. Since they ship to people's homes and are likely using paid ads to get sales, there's a good chance they're already capturing emails, phone numbers, and Facebook Messenger subscribers, but have no idea what to do with that information. Digital product vendors. As a digital product vendor myself, list building is what allowed me to finally leave my 9-to-5 job and go full-time online. It's the most powerful asset you can possess, and it can supply you with predictable long-term income. Local marketers. If you're dealing with any kind of local business, implementing email, text, and Facebook Messenger for your clients is probably the easiest of all the other business models. Think about it. Your clients deal with people face to face. They can easily ask them to sign up to their mailing list or get text updates or even connect with their Facebook page in exchange for a discount on products or services. And there's a good chance many local businesses already have a list of customers in an Excel sheet somewhere just collecting dust. Offer them these 3 additional services and add an endless supply of recurring income to your bottom line. Agency marketers. Are you running Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or any other kind of ads for your clients? Why not offer to take over their entire follow-up strategy via email, text, and Facebook Messenger and instantly add additional profit to your agency's bottom line and to your client's bottom line as well? It's the ultimate win-win. With Sendiio, now you can. For any other business model, online or offline, any business, big or small, must be implementing email, text, and Facebook Messenger as part of their sales and marketing strategy. Those that are not are leaving a ton of profit on the table, and if they don't adapt quickly, they're gonna get left behind. Plus, we're gonna make Sendiio even better just because you've decided to join us during our charter members discount. Once you join today, you'll also be locking in these amazing bonuses. Bonus number 1. Agency access included for a limited time. As I mentioned previously, we'll also be including agency access for a very limited time. This is easily valued at $997 since you'll be able to offer 3 different services to your agency clients as well. You'll be able to supply your clients with email marketing services to their customer base, be able to run profitable text message campaigns for your clients, and dramatically increase their sales and subscribers with automated Facebook Messenger marketing. However, this extremely valuable bonus disappears on February 24th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Bonus number 2 is our Twitter autoresponder update. Yup, before you even join Sendiio, we already have plans to make Sendiio even better. One update we have planned over the next 30 to 45 days is to add Twitter direct message automation. With this, you'll have the 2 biggest social platforms fully automated and at your fingertips. This valuable bonus disappears on February 26th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Bonus number 3 is our ringless voicemail drops update. Not 1, but 2 powerful updates planned over the next 30 to 45 days. We also plan to add ringless voicemail drops to Sendiio. Ringless voicemail drops are one of the most powerful forms of marketing today. This update will allow you to create campaigns that go directly to the most used device of your customers. You'll be able to tap into text and their voicemails. This particular bonus disappears on February 26th at midnight as well. Bonus number 4, live 90-minute training session. On top of an already amazing software tool, we'll also be going the extra mile here and putting together a live 90-minute training session where we'll be showing you exactly how to hit the ground running with Sendiio. Bonus number 5, unlock a private 20% discount code to be used for any one of our upgrade offers. As a thank you for trusting your autoresponder needs to Sendiio and joining during our Charter Members Week, you'll also be able to get an exclusive 20% discount code to be used on any one of our upgrade offers. The upgrade offers are explained in the frequently asked questions section below, and you'll be able to see each one once you join Sendiio. This bonus expires on February 26th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Talk about some amazing bonuses, right? Yup, we can easily charge a separate fee for the first 3 bonuses alone, which is why they all have a very specific expiration date. We cannot keep these bonuses available forever. And you get to access Sendiio plus everything we just mentioned above at the crazy discounted one-time price you see below. Yup, 0 monthly fees. But before you go below this video to check out all the features which we describe in detail, let's quickly recap what you're getting. Full access to all 3 platforms: email, text, and Facebook Messenger. You'll be able to import unlimited email leads, import unlimited phone numbers, collect an unlimited amount of Facebook Messenger subscribers, create unlimited lists for your email and text subscribers, connect unlimited Facebook pages to automate their Facebook Messenger, build unlimited opt-in forms for email and phone number campaigns, create unlimited follow-up sequences for email, text, and Facebook Messenger, create unlimited one-time broadcast campaigns for email, text, and Facebook Messenger, send unlimited emails, text, and Facebook Messenger messages, connect to any premium SMTP provider, view in-depth stats for all your email campaigns, full click stats for all your text campaigns, automatic removal of bounced emails for amazing list hygiene, easily resend your email campaigns based on your subscribers' activity for more targeted results, set up an automatic welcome message for every new Facebook Messenger subscriber, set up unlimited keyword-based chatbot replies for your Facebook pages, complete step-by-step training tutorials for every part of Sendiio, 0 monthly fees which we can easily charge for, plus these amazing bonuses. Agency access included for a very limited time and expires on February 24th at midnight. Twitter autoresponder update, ringless voicemail drops update, which both expire on the 26th at midnight. Live 90-minute training session, and you get to unlock a private 20% discount code to be used for any one of our upgrade offers. And if you haven't already jumped all over this crazy deal, we also have a 30-day double your money back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value Sendiio can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a double your money back guarantee. Just show us that you put Sendiio into action in your business, and if it didn't make you a positive ROI on your investment today, we will, without hesitation, give you double your money back. At this point, there's not much else to say. You either want to skyrocket your profit with email marketing or you don't. You either want to skyrocket your profit with text message marketing or you don't. You either want to skyrocket your profit with Facebook Messenger marketing or you don't. You either want to get your hands on the best, first, and only autoresponder to combine the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger, or you don't. You either want to pick up Sendiio at the best possible price or you don't. However, if you do want to get your hands on the first and only unlimited autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with 0 monthly fees at the best price you'll ever see it at, I highly recommend you pick up your copy now. So make sure you go below this video, watch the demo video, check out all the features in detail, and then hit the buy button to get started today.